Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today I'm going to show you how to use our high chair cleaning cloth. One thing you should know about eCloth is we activate the cloths with water, so no cleaning solutions are being used when you clean with eCloth, which makes your cleaning routine easy and effective. So I'm going to clean this high chair. I've wet this cloth under the faucet, and now I'm going to clean the surface with just water. Get this nice oatmeal off the chair, clean over here, and then all around on the countertop. I'm only using water and the eCloth. When you use cleaning solutions, you worry about your child putting their hands on the surface and then putting them in their mouth. Whereas with eCloth, you're just cleaning with water, so you don't have to worry about that at all. And I've removed 99% of bacteria from the surface with eCloth. So let me finish cleaning. As you see, I did a great job cleaning this surface only using water. After you've used your eCloth to clean a surface, you always want to rinse the cloth out really well under the faucet. And the reason for that is our eCloths are very good at getting up dirt and grime, better than anything you've ever used before. So you want to agitate the cloth a little bit and then rinse the cloth out with warm water. After I'm done with that, I usually take the cloth and drape it over my faucet. But you can put it out to dry wherever you'd like in your kitchen. And then when you need it again, you just take it back out, you wet it to activate the cloth, and then you clean. And then after you've used the cloth a few times, you want to throw it in the washing machine. Regular detergent is absolutely fine. Just no bleach, no fabric softener. The hotter the water, the better. And then after I've done that, I throw it in the dryer. No dryer sheets either. And then your cloth is good to go the next time you need to clean. So please like and subscribe and comment below so you can tell us what you like about eCloth.